Hi students, we're starting a new unit in social studies. This unit is colonization. So today we're going to review some important academic vocabulary that you're going to be studying and learning about throughout this unit. So first of all, I just want you to make sure that you're paying attention to the visuals I'm going to show you and to the gestures or movements I will do along with that word. This is to help you remember this important academic vocabulary. Later on, your teacher might give you the opportunity to practice as a whole class or to practice with a partner. So here we go. The first word is colonization. So European colonization of the land that will become the United States of America began with the one colony of St. Augustine in 1565. The one colony. Since the colonies had an abundance of natural resources, the colonies shipped natural resources to Europe, where resources were made into finished products. These products were then shipped back to the consumers in the colonies. The trade of these resources helped the colonists acquire the goods they were used to back home. Colonists also established a democratic process, allowing colonial citizens to select other citizens to run their territory locally. Although the monarchy still ruled the territories from Europe,